how to put a video or photo on top of another video. This is my base video. This video on the timeline is my main video or my base video. So I want to put another video on top of this video. So what I will do, I will just drag the video to the timeline, then I can resize it, then I can put it anywhere on the screen. This is helpful especially if I am explaining this video. So this is how you put a video on top of another video, then you can put it anywhere. In the same way, you can also add a photo on top of this video, especially when you are explaining things in the photo. To do that, you do the same way with the video. Click on your photo, then drag it to the timeline just like the way you did to the video, then resize it and put it anywhere on the screen. You can also trim it to the area where you want it to show. Maybe you want the photo to show at this point. Here is 4 seconds. You want it to show there, and you can trim it to this point. Then after 4 seconds, the photo is gone. You can also move it to any position you want the photo to show. You can reduce the opacity of the photo. What I mean by opacity is this option here. If you slide this place to the left, you see the opacity has reduced. That is the transparency. Then if you want it to be completely sharp, you just increase it to 100. So this is how you put a photo or a video on top of another video. If you found this useful, please subscribe.